If you're seeing a Monday.com server connection error or a timeout message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to work fast. These steps are simple, safe, and they solve most connection problems without needing any technical experience. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. Let's get into it. First, refresh the page. A temporary loading issue can often trigger a timeout error, and a simple refresh may reconnect you to Monday.com right away. If the page still doesn't load properly, move on to the next step. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure your connection is stable and working on other websites. If your internet seems slow or unreliable, switch to a different network if possible, such as mobile hotspot or another Wi-Fi connection. A weak network is one of the most common reasons Monday.com fails to connect properly. Now turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. VPNs and proxies can interfere with Monday.com's server connection and cause repeated timeout errors. After disabling them, refresh the page again and see if the site loads normally. If the issue is still there, disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. To do this, open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and turn off any extensions that might block scripts or website connections. Some extensions can accidentally block Monday.com from loading important data, so this step is very important. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select Cache and Cookies, then clear them. Once that's done, restart your browser and open Monday.com again. Old or corrupted browser data can often cause connection issues like this. If you're still getting the error, sign out of Monday.com completely, then sign back in. Sometimes your session can become stuck or expire, and logging out and in again forces a fresh connection to the platform. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the timeout or server connection error. If the problem continues, try reopening Monday.com in an incognito window or a different browser to see whether the issue is browser-specific. That can help you quickly narrow down the cause. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Monday.com's server connection and timeout errors using a few quick troubleshooting steps. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.